Skirt! Hey, YouTube, before this trip to the thrift starts, quick announcement. Number one, it's going down on December 1st. I'm having a huge pop-up and meet and greet in Houston, Texas at SneakerCon Houston. So pull up. I'm gonna be selling a bunch of vintage gear, like straight up nothing but grails. So come through, show up and show out. And also before we get into this video, I just gotta shout out the homie Piggy Bank Villain. He said, our eyes are the boners and Paul's videos are the lotion. With that being said, shout out the Sus Squad. Let's get into this trip to the thrift. Oh, hello. All right, what's up and what is gravy, people, man? As you guys can see, your boy is live and direct back in Houston, finally, after traversing the country. And you guys already know, we have to plug Family Thrift Outlet right now. So we're about to go in and see what they got. I am hipstered out. It's plaid day today. She's hipstered out. It's plaid day for her as well. And I got the bloody shoes.
Hey, these is bloody shoes.
So yeah, we're gonna go in and see what is happening, Captain. Let's get it. Oh my goodness sakes. I don't even gotta get her toes done. You know what I'm saying? Found the nice ruby red toenail slippers. What are those? And then in regards to the chaquetas, I found this logo athletic Pittsburgh Steelers with the slight blood splatter stain. Shout out that boy Dexter. This is in that black and yellow bumblebee color scheme. It's a little dirty, but still, man, it's only 2 doll hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually grab this guy. Big helmet on the back. You also have the all embroidered Looney Tunes. You got Taz trying to steal the ball from Bugs, but Bugs about to cross him over. And then a beautiful vintage windbreaker. Now, something that goes with this colorway is actually in the town I used to reside in, and it is the Tacoma Pocket Rockets, like junior varsity, or I guess that'd be semi-pro, little hockey league jersey, clean color scheme. And then, you know what, the lady came through with the nice little scoop, you dig, the Nike little track pants with the stripes and the zippers.
Fuck with me.
Yo, the toy section is popping. You got the dreaded up Rasta Gumby. You know what I'm saying? Bruh. Dreadhead Rasta. Dread like a Rasta. You guys know what time it is. I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Dang, this is like the anti-Lil Boosie in the early 2000s. Dare to resist drugs in Louisiana.
I don't even know what a kilo costs, but let me get one.
All right, man. So sneaker Grail live copped. You got the Heelys in the pink and black color scheme that fit young Casey perfectionately. Just need to throw them on and show you guys a little thing or two about skirting off in a pair of Heelys, man. Oh my God, looks like we found a winner over the contest for the ball. You got Taz about to dunk on the punk. This nice little artistic sketch-esque vibe. Guys, I cannot wait for Space Jam 2. If you guys can't wait as well, say aye. This piece is hard. Also, shout out Woodstock. Ooh, Marvin just put up with the shtick. That boy got that alien blaster about to put in work. Ooh, 10,000% authentic. You got that Polo Sport. Put that thing in sport. What? Trippy. There's a little lady coming through with the Western heat and the Aquamarine color scheme. Damn. All I can say is I'm so proud of you. Oh my God. Shout out DJ Khaled. Lion. Keep game, man. You got the vintage Umbro. Get you hella hot. With all the diamonds laced up, dancing in the Fabrock Umbro, all embroidered right there. This is that gem for the win. Look at that neck. Bruh, I'm so wavy, I could give you swimming lessons. Check it out, man. You got that Coca-Cola surf button-up trademark. Also, you got the Nike ACG slippers. The Jesus collabs. Straight out of Nazareth. Why she pull up flexing like this?
Tommy for your mom.
I know that. Oh my God. This colorway is gorgeous, flawless. How I see it's how I call it. Look at that crest. Ooh. My God. Oh, we got another one, baby. That Tommy for ya damn mommy. That Tommy for your mother jeans. Paisley corduroy with the big flag and the nice denim scribe down the center. delicious. Oh my God, oh my God. Yo, I just found a personal Grail. You guys know, H-Town, hold it down. You have the Houston Oilers Nutmeg Mills 1994. Cleanest colorway. You guys know, Cactus Jack inspired colorway. Made in USA. Wow. Oh, well, look at what we got here, man. The St. Louis Blues Apex 1 jacket, except it's in the pissed on colorway. You guys know, I'd rather be pissed off than pissed on. You dig what I'm saying? I don't know if I should cop or not. Decisions. That's how my ass stays chapped. Oh, man. Pull up in wet, Lil Boat. They got the Lil Boat sweater. I'll take you home with me. Yo, the sweater section, big praise. My brothers in the South, because the sweater section looks like a straight Mexican blanket. I love it. Hey, also, a little bit more of that Tommy for your mommy.
Tommy for your mommy.
With the vertical stripes, very, very clean. I love these essentials with the light pair of jeans. You guys know, man, we out here with that Tommy doll. Hey, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. No, I'm saying. Very rare. You got the aquamarine vintage champion. Feel like a champion. Fell asleep right on the jet. We gone. Reverse weave, bro. And yes, you know it's old school because it's made in the United States of America, baby. This is a sick essential to keep it popping like a pimple. I love you. No, why she have to do them like that? Bruh. Okay, Casey's coming through with all the multicolored static looking sweaters. Oh my God, this one is so hard. This is like Coogee-esque. It's big as hell, multicolored and sexy. Jesus Christ. Proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you. Fuck me with the screwdriver. That is hard. Garushka. I'm getting stoned in my stone wash. They have the Levi's Essential Light Wash Denim Jacket. I gotta nab it. It's that time, FUBU boys. Dirty, dirty South. Got diamonds in my mouth. Fuck Hill Figure. FUBU shirt. Oh man, I thought this was an old school shirt when I found it, but it's a new rendition. But still, it is Bart over here swag surfing all up on his skateboard. Also, you have this nice little essential, another one. I just love the vertical striping and piping. Guys, I think I landed myself a damn keeper. Check this out, the all over print, moose encrusted, wild ass wilderness crew neck thing with the little Henley buttons. Art unlimited. Yeah, this is straight up art. It's however you interpret it to be.
It's what you interpret it to be.
Oh my gosh, that is so sick. That's a definite acquisition. And low-key looks like Tigger just threw a left hook on Pooh. Hey, also, you ain't winning if you ain't twinning. Y'all know that. Now we have the dual wheeled mooses, also known as mice, out here. So, meese, is that what they're called? No one knows. Bro, pulled straight out the rack. I like it like that. You have the black and maroon little Washington Redskins. I love the way the screen printing is looking. You got the Chief Chillin', Big Chillin', 1937. And then flip and dip on the back, it has the exact same graphique. Why is she built like this though with the Nautica competition? Love out. Oh my good God, baby. You got Young Jaws right here in the clean black on black satin jacket color scheme. That Locker Line brand size XL San Jose shorts. All right, man, we're about to depart out of here, and Thrift Guardian just came through with a major assist on the Detroit Tiger starter jacket, Diamond Collection. Very dope, very heavy, perfect for the winter time. And I'm a motherfucking star boy. All right, class, had to remove the jacket. It's getting a little too hot without a heat up in this store, but the last two finds that I got are, of course, the Orange Crush by DeLong, little satin jacket right there, crush on the back, and then the Surf Style Interplanetary Body Gear. Oh my God, this thing is crazy, switching colors in the lights like a chameleon. I absolutely love it. Another great day, baby. All right, y'all, we're out of the store. We got some giant parcels full of fire, and yeah, we're gonna proceed maybe onto some more, maybe not. Either way, we'll see where life takes us. All right, class, we did jump into another one. I walked down the rack. I saw the sleeve. The sleeve never deceives. And look at that, poking out. You got that Polo sport down jacket. Ooh, will that come out though? I think it might, honestly. Oh wait, and it's reversible. Wait, no, it's not, but still, fuck it. This shit hard, boy. Yes, sir, indeed. Hey, I found another piece to layer with this guy. Got the little Michigan colorway going on with the Chaps Ralph Lauren and then the Polo Sport by Ralph Lauren. But then check this out, man. They have this hard New York Mets jacket, right? Giant patch on the back, right? So clean, so crispy. But they are yaxing $40. Bro, these thrifts need to chill. Tripping. Yo, so the homie just pulled up on me. We got a quick flick. But look at this thrifted jacket. Look how hard that thing is. It has all the little wooden clasps. This guy looking like a damn assassin. And he has on the pointy shoes too. Boy, swagging like Aladdin. Fly as fuck. Oh, you got the layers. Jeez. Why had to pull up on me like this? Damn. See guys, this is how you do it, man. You can rock a formal style at the thrift too. She's back at it once again with that Thomas for your mother. Hold on, rotate that ting. Oh, see, now you're just evading the camera. Wait, let me see the front. Ew. Yeah, that thing's sick. Ooh. Ooh. All right, class. I found one more little ting before I depart. And it's this little Wrangler 20X 90s vertically striped Polo. But yeah, man, all the items you guys saw today are gonna be available in one of two places. One will be my pop-up that's going down at SneakerCon Houston, December 1st. Pull the up. And then the other place you guys can get stuff is Thrift Type and Vintage. I'm back from my road trip, you guys already know. So everything will be available on site on there. Wait, hold this for 1 second. Hey man, I love you guys. Peace and love. Live the dream. Eat that ice cream. I'm signing out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.